bang. Hello, konnichiwa, wagwan. It's the girl Katie from the One Big Irie family. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please become a part of the Irie fam. We welcome you with open arms. So I want you to just ensure that you subscribe. Just click that subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you can see my videos as I post them. And today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to those who are watching on a Sunday. Happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whenever you're. I decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Alright guys, I'm so tired right now. This is where I'm at so far. This is how it, okay, so now for my protective hairstyle I will be using these that I got from my care package. And this is a model glance braid, soft wavy for 18 inches. This is how it looks. So I will be doing the crochet style. I've already braided my hair. Cornrow. What I'm gonna do is just to tuck the ends in. You need a needle, okay? Hair crochet needle. Just tuck the ends in. If you have like a hair needle, you can just tack it. You know, hair needle that they used to do sewing. We used to do a lot of sewing. People still do sewing though. I don't know. So tuck that in, and let's basically tuck these under. Secure. So plait. I'm gonna just plait this because I don't have any sewing thread. And tuck. Best thing to do would have been to just sew it, but anyways, this comes with 12 pieces. I only have 5 packs. I hope it works. And this is how they are. It already has the loops. I'm gonna start from the top because I don't know if I have enough to do it. Basically just going to push the needle in like this, loop, close the needle and pull through, and then pull the end through the loop. So I'm looking at the difference if you push the needle up as opposed to putting the needle down. So let's try down and see how that works. Up first, push the needle to the loop, close, pull through. Oops. Wow, you have to be so careful with this here. Oh my god, why is it doing this? All right, let me just try to create at the loop. Pull, tighten. So it's much better if you put the needle facing down. See, it lies flat. This is alright because they want it to look natural anyhow, so it doesn't matter if it unravels a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna just start doing them by pushing the needle downward. So you have to be careful with the loop. And I'm going to be doing that throughout my entire head. And yeah, I'm going to be just doing that. And when I'm finished, I'll let you know if the 5 packs worked or if I had to improvise. All right, see you. All right, guys, I'm so tired right now. This is where I'm at so far. This is how it looks so far. I made a mistake. I should have crossed these cornrows so that you know you don't have that part that, like, you know, when Moses part the Red Sea. But in any case, it will cover over, so that saved me. And what I did was to try to fill in these areas so you know it doesn't have that big space. And remember, I was telling you that the hair is scanty, so I made sure to pay attention to the front part of it, so that if I'm gonna fill in with some hair, some other type of hair, I'll do that with the back. So what I did was to focus on the front, and then for the back I did it scantily, as you can see, and then I'm just gonna go in and just fill in a few. But it doesn't matter if it is a bit scanty, because the hair will cover over basically. So I'll come back when I'm finished. And you can do different things with it to just make it, you know, make it work. So I'll see you soon. I'll show you the finished product. Fellow let me say, not fellow subscriber, long time subscriber. Sure, me go start over.